Hello everybody, today I'm teaching you how to grow carrots from seed to harvest, and that's what today's video is, how to grow carrots in 2023. This is pretty good. This is a carrot plant that's very old, and I do have 2 rows of more carrots growing. This still has a month and a half to go. So yeah, this is how to grow carrots 2023. I already put earthworm castings and chicken manure on them, and they're pretty growing real nicely, and it's pretty good. Carrots are a really good source of vitamin K, so yeah, they're really good to eat everything. These are some nice carrots that's going to be growing. The baby ones won't be ready until June, probably at the end of June, and this won't be ready till a month and a half from now. So okay, so this is pretty much how to grow carrots from seed to harvest. And what I did was, plant some seeds down, give it chicken manure and all that. So yeah, so yeah, man, this is how to grow carrots from seed to harvest. This is the beginning of it, and this is going to be looking so good in the future. I hope you guys been staying tuned and all that there with my gardening videos. I'm planning to do a lot of gardening this year. Just a new thing I'm trying to do on my channel, because that's what I like to do, and I like to share it with you. I even show you tips and tricks. You already know tips and tricks if you, well, this is pretty much lucky for me how I got all these to grow in the soil. But another way to do it is if you get yourself one of those biodegradable pots that you seen in my previous videos, fill it up with some potting soil, plant a carrot seed. But what you actually want to do, here's the other part. Soon as it sprouts, like how you see this here, but you have to wait until, you have to do it in a small. You have to cut a hole in the bottom of the pot, and then you plant it in the ground as soon as it sprouts, and it's easier to plant carrots that way instead of just sprinkling them in the soil like how I did. And that's a good, tip and trick you can use to start anything that grows on the ground, like potatoes, onions, leeks, all that. And that's going to be coming in a future video, so don't worry, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button, and I'll see you in the next one.